Is your child coughing frequently? You're not alone in this concern. It's common for children to cough, but we understand how it can worry you. When your little one is coughing, it's more than just a noise. It's a signal from their body that something isn't quite right. The good news is that there are effective solutions available. You're doing the right thing by seeking information and help. Understanding the cause of the cough is the first step to finding a solution. Coughing in children can have various causes. Let's delve into some of the most common ones. First up, we have the common cold. It's named common for a reason, as it's usually the prime suspect behind those pesky coughs. Secondly, allergies. Yes, the sneezing, watery eyes, and you guessed it, coughing, can all be signs that your child is reacting to allergens in their environment. Last but not least, asthma. This chronic condition inflames and narrows the airways, prompting a cough that's more of a wheeze or whistle. Now, it's important to remember that these aren't the only causes. Other conditions like bronchitis, pneumonia, and even acid reflux can lead to a persistent cough. But why does all this matter? Well, pinpointing the exact cause of the cough is crucial. Knowing whether it's a cold, an allergy, or something more serious is the first step in providing appropriate treatment. Identifying the root cause can guide us toward the right solution. There are several practical solutions you can apply at home to ease your child's cough. Let's delve into a few. Firstly, keeping your child hydrated is crucial. Water, clear broths, or warm lemon water with honey can loosen congestion and prevent dehydration. Do note that honey is only suitable for children over a year old. It's a natural cough suppressant and can soothe a sore throat, but it's not recommended for infants due to the risk of botulism. Next, consider using a humidifier in your child's room. Dry air can aggravate a cough, and a humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping to soothe a cough caused by a dry throat or chest. But remember to clean the humidifier regularly to prevent the growth of mold or bacteria. Another practical solution is to avoid irritants such as smoke or dust, which can exacerbate a cough. Keeping your home clean and smoke-free can significantly help to reduce your child's coughing. You might also find it helpful to elevate your child's head during sleep. This can help reduce coughing at night and provide a more restful sleep. It's important to understand that these home remedies are not replacements for professional medical advice. They can provide temporary relief, but if your child's cough persists or worsens, it's essential to seek help from a healthcare professional. Remember, these home remedies can help, but they don't replace a visit to a pediatrician. When home remedies aren't enough, you might need to seek medical solutions. Now, we're not advocating running to the doctor for every little cough, but if it's persistent or if it's accompanied by other worrying symptoms like fever or breathing difficulties, it's time to consult a pediatrician. They're trained to identify the underlying causes and recommend the appropriate treatment, and their advice is invaluable. Medical treatments can vary widely, depending on the cause of the cough. If allergies are the culprit, your pediatrician might prescribe medication to control them. Asthma, too, can often be managed with the right medication, helping your child breathe easier. In cases where a bacterial infection is causing the cough, antibiotics may be necessary. It's crucial to understand that antibiotics are not a cure-all, and they should only be used when prescribed by a professional. Overuse of antibiotics can lead to antibiotic resistance, a serious global health concern. Your pediatrician might also recommend regular checkups to monitor your child's health and ensure any treatment is working as expected. These visits are a great opportunity to ask any questions you might have and to share any observations about your child's health. Remember, every child is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's all about finding the right solution for your child's needs. Your child's doctor is the best resource when it comes to persistent coughs. So, to summarize the solutions we've discussed today, first we need to identify the cause of the cough. Once that's done, there are plenty of home remedies that can provide relief. However, if these measures aren't enough, or if the cough persists, it's crucial to seek medical advice. Remember, a cough is common in children and usually isn't serious. But if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician.